हाँ बोलिए. Hello. This is Sanjay Pandey, and our company is Life Color Pigments and Masterbatches. We are based at Vasai, Bombay, and our one more unit is coming at Umargaon shortly. And we are into field of masterbatch since last 15 years. Yeah, we manufacture these color masterbatches for all type of plastic industries, for blow molding, injection molding, film plants, non-woven, woven sex, and almost all type of plastic industries. We provide these masterbatches, color masterbatches basically. Our main customers are we are doing in export also, Mitsukem, blow molded articles, and many customers in Madurai, Hyderabad, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, all over India. We are supplying more than 500 tons per month. Yeah, we received very good response from this, and our decision is good to participate in this. This is our first time we have participated in this HIPLEX, and it's really nice to participate here. We received very nice response from a client. Okay.